If you need to reopen a closed Kraken account, follow these straightforward steps to guide you through the process. Ensure you have your account details handy for a smoother experience. Step 1. Visit the Kraken website. Go to the official Kraken website. Make sure you're on the correct site to avoid phishing attempts. Step 2. Click on Sign In. Locate the Sign In button on the homepage. Click it to proceed to the login page where you will enter your account credentials. Step 3. Enter your credentials. Input your email address and password associated with your closed account. If you've forgotten your password, use the Forgot Password link to reset it. Step 4. Follow account recovery instructions. Before starting recovery, use the sr.com link in the description to open the account recovery checklist generator and make sure your verification details are ready. Step 5. Contact customer support if necessary. If you cannot access your account or need further assistance, reach out to Kraken's customer support. Provide them with any required information to help expedite the reopening process. Once you have completed these steps, you should be on your way to accessing your Kraken account again. If you encounter any issues, don't hesitate to seek help from the support team.